The DEWALT DWE7485WS compact job site table saw is a powerhouse tool that combines compactness with professional-grade performance. With its 8 1/4-inch blade and robust 15-amp motor, this table saw stands out for its cutting power and precision. The compact design of the tool not only conserves storage space but also makes it easy to transport, providing a convenient solution for job site applications. One of the key features that sets the DWE7485WS apart is its accurate adjustment system. The rack and pinion telescoping rails facilitate fast and smooth fence adjustments, ensuring that the user can achieve precise cuts with minimal effort. This feature enhances the overall user experience, making the tool suitable for both beginners and seasoned professionals. The table saw boasts a professional rip capacity of 24.5 inches, allowing users to tackle large jobs with ease. This capacity is particularly useful for ripping 4x8 plywood or OSB sheets, making the DWE7485WS a versatile choice for a variety of woodworking projects. The inclusion of the Site Pro modular guarding system is another notable aspect of this table saw. This system allows for tool-free adjustments of the guarding, providing convenience and efficiency during operation. Additionally, the power loss reset feature is a safety measure that prevents accidental restarts after a power disruption, ensuring user safety. Onboard storage is a practical feature that adds to the overall convenience of the tool. The DWE7485WS provides storage space for the guard, fence, wrenches, and miter gauge, ensuring that essential accessories are always within reach. For added versatility, the table saw comes with the DW7451 table saw stand. The stand features heavy-duty tube steel construction, providing a stable and secure base for the saw. The support bar hardware holes enable the secure fastening of the saw to the stand, ensuring stability during tough saw jobs. In conclusion, the DEWALT DWE7485WS compact job site table saw is a standout tool that delivers exceptional performance, accuracy, and convenience. Its compact build, accurate adjustments, professional rip capacity, and safety features make it a top choice for woodworkers looking for a reliable and portable table saw. Whether you are working on a construction site or in your workshop, this table saw is sure to meet and exceed your expectations.